All right, another week, another set of wheels, another unboxing, baby. This time we got the 24-inch Origin FP1s, two-piece, floating spokes, step lip. I ain't even gonna explain it anymore. Let's just open this box and see what's really cooking up inside of here. Wow, this is actually really nice. Floating spoke, step lip, got the 4D cap. This is actually really nice. So we got the brushed face, we got the polished lip, we got the 50/50 hardware. So the 50/50 hardware essentially means that one of every other one is hidden. Hardware is hidden behind the Origin engraving logo. This is the 24x12.5. This is going on a GLE63 Coupe. We're planning to put a 355 wide tire on this, and we're really excited to install these onto the vehicle. So stay tuned to our vlogs. You'll see the finished product very shortly.